Now this is my pot here with some water in it, and I'm now going to add the porridge, some porridge with the oats to the pot. Not too much because it's just for me only. Nobody else in this house likes. Oh yes, my husband loves oats, just like me. But my children don't like it. They don't like it. I don't know why. That's just them. I was brought up eating Quaker oats, and I brought them up too. When they were babies, actually eating it, and when they were in primary school, or once they got to secondary school, that was out of the question for them. What they wanted to be eating was things like all these sugary cereals, Cocoa Pops, and all them things, which obviously I don't like. I like some of the cereals. I like Kellogg's cornflakes. I like, is it crispy, sugary kind of cornflakes? I can't remember what the exact name is. Anyhow, this is me doing the porridge here. Oh God, what? This other one is on. Right. And I'm going to add some milk to it now. Some skimmed milk. I must tell you, this porridge is yummy, tasty, mind-blowing. Hey. I can't say even more than that. Or I could say more than that, but I can't say less than what I'm saying. But it is so tasty, my friends. You all must give it a try. Right, here am I mixing it up, and I'm going to add the thing now. Oh God, I gotta use my teeth. Lordy, Lord, I. Oh Lordy, Lord, I. This is a West Indian saying, oh Lordy, Lord, I. That means God help me. God help me. A West Indian saying, a Grenadian saying. And as you all might sometimes wonder where Grenada is. It's not Grenada, which is a country here in Europe. It's Grenada. And that's an island in the West Indies, near to Trinidad. I know Jamaica is a very favorite, one of the most popular countries, islands. So just as you have Jamaica, you have Grenada, and Grenada is very much, in many ways, it's an island in the Caribbean Sea, just as Jamaica is an island in the Caribbean Sea. And a lot of Jamaican foods, or Jamaican foods, some people pronounce Jamaica, you get them in Grenada too. As I say there, you can call them maybe almost one or the other. So this is me. Just added that to it. The coconut, vanilla flavored yogurt, and it's done now. You don't need to add any sugar to this one. I don't add sugar to it because it's sweet enough for me. But if any of you all give it a try, it may be also sweet enough for you without having to add sugar. Anyhow, one of these days we're going to have a live chat, y'all. I've not been away from my channel for quite a long while. Long while. I've been having a lot of challenges facing me. Family challenges and health challenges, but I give everything to God. To God be the glory. Thank God for life. So here am I putting in some milk, skimmed milk. I need to add, not have enough. milk. This is what I do anyhow, because I have this skim milk in, you know, one of these kind of paper kind of thing that they put it in, you know, cardboard box, which can easily get soggy and everything. So what I do, myself or the children, when we have a bottle of Coca-Cola, I just, you know, wash it out very well and put skim milk in it and put it in the fridge. So that's me here pouring it out. Some skim milk, skimmed milk. And you know what, today is such a lovely day. I'm going to go and sit out in my garden. My garden, you know. I've come to realize, you know, I know life is full of ups and downs, and there's too much going on in this world. A lot of misery, a lot of things going wrong. But you know what? It's only we can make life the way we want to be. We want it to be. I mean, and I'm saying that, I mean, for ourselves. Nobody can really make us happy. We ourselves have to find our inner peace, and we have to learn to find the things around us that make us happy. You know, find joy in the midst of sorrow. Whether it's a hobby you like doing, listen to comedy, you have a garden that you love, if you love gardening, all these different things. So y'all, you know, I'm going to add some more of this yogurt. See, I'm going to go outside now. See you all in the next clip.